stock transfer inspection if we are doing. And in the case of 08 inspection type, we want that the inspection should be done for, say, plant to plant. The movement type inspection should be activated, but for the within a plant movement type, I want to deactivate the quality inspection. To activate or deactivate this inspection, quality inspection, so in such cases, we can use this feature of deactivating the quality inspection for a particular movement type. So let's see how it works in the system if I try it for, say, inspection type 05. Let me show you the detail of my material. MM02, enter, and this is the material. In this quality management view, I have activated inspection type 05. These are the settings which are maintained for the inspection type 05. Continue and save it. So if I do the MIGO transaction, then the lot should get triggered for the 05 inspection type. If I'm selecting, say, good receipts against other and press enter key, the movement type it is taking is 561. My material is this with the quantity 10. Enter, and where location I can specify as my plant is this and the storage location is this. Press enter key, and here you can see stock type. It is at present showing me as unrestricted use. Check it once. Since it's a batch managed material, it's giving me that batch detail. Then post it. The material document number has been generated. If we go to the display mode of the same material document, press enter key, you can see now the stock type it is showing me in the quality inspection. And if we check the detail, then the lot has been triggered. If you click on inspection lot, it will show you the detail of the inspection lot which is generated. We can also check the same information in QA32 report also. So if I execute it, then with the quantity 10, this is the one which is created. Okay, inspection lot. Let me go to the plan of it. /n QP02. Enter, and this is the material. Plant is this. Press enter key, and I'm just removing the deletion mark from this. Okay, and then save it, and we again go to QA32 report /n, and we can assign these plant to the lot so that it can be released. So in the inspection specification, now the plan has been assigned and the sample has been calculated for this. Let me quickly do the same for all other remaining lots and save it. Refresh it, all the lots are released. What if I don't want to trigger a lot when I am doing a good receipt inspection with other? The movement type was 561. Even that can be controlled. At present, if I go to MMB report for the same material, enter, and this is the material executed. You can see lot of batches coming under the quality inspection. Okay, so if I don't want the inspection to be done, then we can make one configuration. Let me go to QCC 0, press enter key, and here in the quality inspection lot creation, here we maintain inspection for goods movement. Select this, and if I want to deactivate the inspection, then you can select deactivate inspection type for the movement type. Specify the movement type is 561, enter. You can see the movement type as 561 is this one. QM not active, this checkbox if I'm selecting, okay, so that I don't want to trigger a lot for good receipts against other. So you can deactivate it by selecting this. QM should not be activated. Save it. we will repeat the same cycle again. Try to do the nego transaction again. Enter. Let me show you the stock also for the same material, and then we enter, and this is the material and the plant is 1000. Click on execute, and now let's try to do the nego transaction again. For the material is this quantity, I'm keeping it as say 10. Enter, and where location I can specify as this, and the storage location we can specify. Press enter key, and movement type is 561. Stock type at present showing me in unrestricted use. Click on check once. Batch is created, okay, and then post it. Document number has been generated with 311. If we go to the display mode of the same, press enter key, and still the stock is showing me in the unrestricted. And if we go to the quantity, at present there is no lot triggered for it. And if we check our QA32 report, enter and execute it. So with the same material with the quantity 10, no new lot has been triggered for it. So from the movement type, we can control whether we want to inspect the material, or for that particular movement type, you want to skip the inspection. That can be controlled. Let me again change it to active. So /n QCC 0, enter, and quality inspection lot creation, inspection for the movement type. Click on this, and we will select deactivate option, and I can specify my movement type, which is 561. Enter, and let me uncheck this. Okay, and then click on save. So now if I try to do the nego again, then the lot should get triggered once again. Okay. So /n nego, enter, and let me go to code receipts against other. Material is same. Quantity I'm keeping it say 15. Where location I can enter. Plant is this. Storage location is this. Okay, press enter key, and then click on check once, continue, and then post it. So now again, if we go to the display mode of it, enter, here you can see stock type again is in quality, and if we check the quantity, the lot has been triggered, and if we click on inspection lot, the lot has been created with the origin 5. And if we go back, here also if we refresh it, the stock in the 15 quantity is added, and again if we check our QA32 report, new lot with the QA32, enter and execute it. So this one is the lot with the quantity 15, which is created, okay, just now. There is one more transaction which can be used to control this quality inspection should be done or not. So we can use OMJJ, enter. You can select say movement type, continue, and you can specify your movement type, say 561, continue. Details for the movement type 561. If I select the deactivate QM inspection and delivery category, this for the movement type 561, here you will get QM not active. This is unchecked for it.